What's up guys, and welcome to the 8th lesson of these terminal videos. And in this tutorial it's all about renaming a file's name. So without further ado, let's start the video. Okay, cd desktop semicolon ls-l. If you don't know what that is, go back and rewatch the videos and come back to this. Okay, so now we need to rename file text to prog1.c. So mv, yes, and now prog1.c. ls-l, and there you go. The file.txt has changed to prog1.c. In the next tutorial, I'm going to be using the nano command to edit that file and put in some C code, and then the tutorial after that, I'll be using prog1.c so you know how to compile a C program, and then we will compile the C program. Alright, that's it for this tutorial. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now.